Hi, I'm Joe, Product Manager for the Smart IQ system. I'd like to introduce you to the new feature that we've added to the Beta 3 release for the IQ system. It's the ability to set your own personalized wallpaper. Go into Settings, Personalization Wallpaper. You'll see a new piece at the top that says you can add pictures from a USB drive. When you insert a thumb drive into the board, the system will search through the drive to look for all the pictures that are available. Selecting a picture from the thumb drive will set it immediately as a wallpaper for the background of the home screen. For some tips on what kinds of pictures work best as wallpaper, full HD images, 1920 by 1080 work the best. If you use something else, like a very widescreen image, it'll be cropped and centered. If you use a 4:3 image, it will be zoomed, centered, and the top and bottom will be cropped so that the image fills the screen. If you pick something that's square, the same rules apply. It'll be zoomed, the top and bottom get cropped to fill the screen. For more information on what's in Beta 3, visit smarttech.uservoice.com.